Welcome to Hogan Library. This video will introduce bibliography management tools, Mendeley and Zotero. First, the function of bibliography tools. Why use a tool and how it works? It can help you organize your citation, build your own reference library, categorize citation, also collaborate with a team member. And it can synchronize from the web library and your app. Second is cite while you write. When you're writing, it can help you insert a citation, also the reference, and you can change your citation styles all the time. So today, we have two bibliography tools. One is Zotero, the other one is Mendeley, and they both are free. The difference is Zotero is free with 300 MB storage, and for Mendeley is free with 2 GB. And the software, they all work on Windows, Mac, and they have the web connector with Chrome, Edge, Safari, and the plugin with Word and LibreOffice. For the app, Zotero, the app is created by the third parties with various price or free. And Mendeley, the free app is created by the Elsevier, because Mendeley is created by the database company Elsevier. And they both have the free account. The difference is, Zotero, the free account you can have unlimited group, and Mendeley, only one private group with a free account. But Mendeley have more academic support. We will talk about this later. For both of them, the citation, they have over 7,000 citation style language, and the format, they can read the XML, RIS, and BIP text. So how to manage your reference? So we will talk about the surface of these two bibliography tools, and how you can do with your personal account. Also, how to collaborate with your team member. After you install the software, this icon is Zotero, and this is Mendeley. Let's look at the surface of these two bibliography tools. This one is Zotero. This is Mendeley. If you open a new library, it will be empty in the middle. And here you can see the record because this is my personal library. I import the record online to my bibliography tool. So on the left side, they both have my library. So in my library, you can create a folder and a subfolder to help you categorize your bibliography. I want to drag this one to the 1.2. Okay. So then I can see this record in the 1.2. So when you click it, on the right side, you can see the information, the item title, author, abstract, publication. Because this one is a journal article, so you can see the publication, volume, issue. And you can make your note or tag. Then you can search by author or the text you made. And if you download the full text, and you can attach a file. So like here, it has a blue dot. That means I attach the file in this record. So I can view the PDF So in Zotero, if you view in PDF, it will open the file on the PDF. But if you want to read it in your bibliography tool, Mendeley can do it. So here, this is Mendeley. So on the right side, it has the same function as the detail. And you can make your tag, and also you can search. But here, if you click the full text, if you import the full text, and you can read it in the Mendeley. And you can highlight and tag your note. So for this one, if I click the note, I will see my note. And here, if you log in with your personal account, it can synchronize your library with the web library. So for Mendeley and Zotero, they both can do it because they all have the web library. So let's go to the web library. So in here is Mendeley. So I log in my Mendeley account and then click the library. So here, this is my online library. So anything I edit or add, delete in my online library, it will automatically change in my desktop library. So the same thing, if you change anything in your desktop, then your online library will change. And this is Zotero. You can log in and go to your online library. In addition, Mendeley is made by a database company, Elsevier, so they not only offer the web library, also they have academic support. Here you can search an article. For example, I want to look at an article about feminism. So on the left, you can sort by year, document type, or the journal title, author, or just want to view the open access resources. Let's click open access. And in the middle, you can choose sort by most relevant or most recent. And let's choose most cited. Okay. Like for this one, and click add to library. And view in library. So the new one will on top, or you can click recently added. Then go back to your application. So here, if you didn't see the record, click the synchronize. Yeah, and this is the new item. And it will asking you the details are correct or you need to review again. Okay, so that's correct. Then go back to the result. This one is open access, so I have a PDF file. Click the PDF. Okay, so I have a PDF. Then go back to application. I can add the file. Okay. find this one. Open it. So here you have the PDF file. Then just double click and you can read it in Mendeley. So how to collaborate with your team through the Bibliography Manager tool. So first, Zotero. When you log in, then here is a groups. So groups, you can create a new group. It will be a public or a closed member or a private membership. Okay. So make sure your fellow also have a Zotero account. Then you can have a shared group library. Then for Mendeley, okay. So here is Mendeley, and go to the group. On the left, you can create a group. Yeah, also you have to choose public or invite only or the private group. So name your group. And create your group, then invite the group member. How to invite your group member? Go to a tool and invite colleagues. So make sure your team member have the Mendeley account. So this is how you can work with your team through the Bibliography tool. Import and export the citation. You can import a citation from Google Scholar, databases, or the web importer via the web connector. Then export a citation. That means insert citation to your Word. If you want to search the academic resources like journal article, book review, you should search on Google Scholar. So for example, search big data. So where you can find the citation, click the quotation mark. They provide the MLA, AP, and Chicago citation. You can copy and paste to your Word. But if you use the Bibliography tool, click the RefMan. It will download the RIS format file. Then go back to Mendeley. And here, click the file, import. Import IS. Click the record and open it. So recently added. Yes. So this one is we download from the Google Scholar. So if it has a full text, you can attach a full text in here. So if you want to cite the resources is from the Holgate Library, okay, let's go to catalog and search, for example, blockchain. Then click Cite. So in our catalog, you can choose the citation style and copy, paste to your Word, or you can download as a RIS. Then go back to the Bibliography tool, then import the file, and the record will be in your library. So for Mendeley and Zotero, they also provide the web connector. So here is Zotero. Click download. It has a Zotero connector. for the Chrome. Also, they have for the Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Okay. So add to Chrome. Here is Mendeley. Go to the right side, click the arrow. Download Mendeley. Here is a web importer. Find out more and get a web importer for Chrome. So here is our web importer, Zotero and Mendeley, and how they work to help you catch the online resources. For instance, New York Times. If I want to save this newspaper to my reference library, let's click the Zotero. Save it to my library. Okay, done. Then go to the Zotero. Here, you can see this newspaper article is from New York Times. So you got the reference. Okay. So in the same way, if you click Mendeley, then click the item and add it to your library. And then you can view in your library. So this is how it works with the online resources. So the function of bibliography tool, one is help you organize the reference. The other one is cite while you write. So open your Word. You can find the Zotero on the toolbar, and the Mendeley is in the reference. So let's look at Zotero. So click where you want to put the citation and add citation. You can search or choose classic view. Then click the bibliography. Okay. Then here is your citation. Then add bibliography. Here is your reference. And click the document preference. You can change the citation style. So for now, I use the APA 7. So I can change to like MLA, A edition. Okay, so it will change. And one thing, after you finish your writing, remember to unlink the citation. You have to remove the code because now when you click, you can see it's linked with your Zotero library. Okay. So you have to unlink the citation and save it. Now let's try to insert citation with Mendeley. So click the sentence. And here is the Mendeley tool. You can choose a style. We use APA 7. Then click Insert Citation. You can search or go to the Mendeley. Okay. For example, I want to put this one. So click. Then here has a cite. So this is the citation. Then go down. Insert a bibliography. Then you got a reference. And then after you finish the writing, export the file without Mendeley field. You have to remove the code. For more information, please check out the Holgate Library website. There is a bibliography tools on the library features. In this page, you can see the citation generator and the manager tool Mendeley and Zotero. In the page, we list the download link and the tutorial to help you start to use the Manage tool. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time. If you have any question, please contact us through the Ask Librarian.